Did you know that AI helped to discover new planets in space? Can write music like Mozart? And even taught robots how to dance to your favorite tunes? Yeah, AI isn't just smart, it's a creative, futuristic genius that's changing our world in ways you wouldn't believe. In today's video on the AI Voyage, we're diving into 30 jaw-dropping fun facts about artificial intelligence that will blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this AI-powered journey into the future. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get started. AI can create art. AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo and more can draw pictures based on just a few words you give them. People even sell AI-made art online and use it in movies. AI learned to beat humans at games. In 2016, an AI called AlphaGo defeated the world champion in the game of Go, which is much harder than chess. It learned by playing millions of games against itself. AI can write stories and songs. AI programs like ChatGPT, Claude, and others can help write stories, poems, and even lyrics for songs. Some musicians use AI to create new beats or melodies. AI helps save lives. Doctors use AI to find diseases like cancer in X-rays and scans faster than humans. AI is also helping scientists discover new medicines. AI can translate 100+ languages. Tools like Google Translate use AI to understand and translate languages instantly. It's like having a personal translator in your pocket. AI works while you sleep. Ever noticed how Netflix or YouTube always knows what you might want to watch next? That's AI analyzing your preferences, even when you're not online. AI has beaten humans at sports analytics. AI helps coaches and teams figure out strategies by analyzing every player's movements during games. It's like having a super smart assistant. AI learned how to drive cars. Self-driving cars, like Teslas, use AI to see the road, follow rules, and avoid accidents. Some experts believe cars might not need human drivers in the future. AI can detect emotions. Some AI programs can analyze your face or voice to guess if you're happy, sad, or angry. It's often used in video games and customer service robots. AI can dream, sort of. When AI systems like Deep Dream were trained, they started generating trippy, dreamlike images of things like animals and landscapes. It's weird, but super cool. AI loves playing video games. Scientists taught AI to play old-school games like Pac-Man and Super Mario. Sometimes, AI figures out hacks or shortcuts humans didn't know about. AI helps protect wildlife. AI-powered drones and cameras track animals in the wild to stop poachers and study their behavior. It's like a high-tech park ranger. AI powers robots that can dance. Robots like Boston Dynamics Spot can dance to music with AI controlling their moves. You can watch them groove to popular songs on YouTube. AI can predict weather. AI models analyze data from satellites and weather stations to make accurate forecasts, sometimes better than meteorologists. AI knows how to spot fake news. AI systems are trained to check if an article or video is fake. It helps people find trustworthy information online. AI helped discover planets. NASA uses AI to sift through data from space telescopes to find new planets. It has already discovered several planets orbiting other stars. AI has a sense of humor, kind of. Some AI systems can tell jokes, but they're often a bit weird or silly. For example, why did the robot cross the road? Because it was programmed to. AI can mimic your voice. AI can listen to your voice and copy it almost perfectly. This is useful for creating voice assistants but can also be a little spooky. AI helps farmers grow crops. AI-powered drones check fields to spot unhealthy plants, predict the best time to harvest, and even plant seeds. AI can help find missing people. AI is used in search and rescue missions. It scans satellite images to look for signs of missing people after natural disasters. AI composes classical music. AI systems like MuseNet, Suno and more can compose music in the style of classical composers like Mozart and many others. Some orchestras have even performed AI-composed pieces. AI can read your mind, sort of. Scientists are using AI to interpret brain signals and create rough images of what people are thinking about or dreaming, though it's still very basic. AI helps clean our oceans. Robot boats powered by AI are helping to collect plastic waste from oceans and identify areas that need cleaning the most. AI can learn from just one example. While older AI needed thousands of examples to learn, newer systems can learn from just a few examples, just like humans. This is called few-shot learning. AI can create new recipes. AI systems can invent new food combinations and recipes by analyzing thousands of existing recipes and understanding which flavors work well together. AI helps save endangered languages. AI is helping preserve endangered languages by recording and translating them, and creating teaching materials for future generations. AI can paint like famous artists. AI can analyze the style of famous painters like Van Gogh or Picasso and create new artwork in their distinctive styles. AI can help plants talk to us. Scientists are using AI to interpret electrical signals from plants to understand when they need water or are stressed. AI can create its own language. Sometimes when AI systems work together, they develop their own simplified ways of communicating, like a secret robot language. Wow! From helping doctors save lives to making robots groove and even spotting new planets, AI is seriously out of this world. And the best part? This is just the beginning of what it can do. The future is going to be wild, and we'll be right here exploring it together on the AI Voyage. If you had fun or learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing AI adventures. Thanks for watching, explorers. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future with us.